Masters Mac, thank you so much. Everything you've done is so wonderful. I grew up in Galveston, Houston, and moved out here, and you've been wonderful. Thank you.
Claudia, and I'm so blessed, and thank you guys for such a blessing, and thank you again.
Chief Charles Holter at the Centerpoint Volunteer Fire Department. I'm sending out a huge thank you to Matthew Max for all that he's done for Kerr County, Centerpoint, Hunt, and all the areas here. I can't describe to you the feeling that we've had, from his support and the community support. And like I said, with folks like him, the world is a better place, and we thank God that he's here. So thank you so much.